Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video লৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছো. So let's start. Okay. First to কি আছে technology sector. So PM Narendra Modi কি কৈছে India's যোনটো growing global standing আছে in the technology sector, it is because of the Make in India initiative. ঠিক আছে? আৰু এটো ষ্টেট কৰিছে যে indigenous manufacturing তাৰপিছত innovation and skill development এটা important বহুত crucial role play কৰিছে কিহৰ কাৰণে in boosting country's self reliance and export capabilities. ঠিক আছে? ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ চাওঁ. Okay. So with reference to the Make in India initiative, consider the following statements. So এটা তিনটা statement দিছে regarding কি Make in India initiative আৰু আমি কোনগিটা correct হয় চাব লাগে ঠিক আছে first to কি কৈছে it was launched in 2014 to encourage companies to manufacture in India and boost employment and skill development. Yes, this is correct. Ketia launch hoisle 2014 not launch hoisle September 2014 not launch kora hoisle. So statement 1 is correct. Second to ki koise the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade is the nodal agency for its implementation. This is also true because the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, that is DPIIT, etu eta the most important agency for its implementation. Your implementation of karne. So statement 2 is also correct. Third to ki koise under Make in India the foreign direct investment policy is in most sectors has been liberalized. Statement 3 is also correct. So tinta statement amar yat correct ase. So option D will be the correct answer. 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay. Next, কি কৈছে armed licenses. So CM কি announce কৰিছে that armed licenses will be issued to indigenous people only after thorough background verification. Eta thorough background verification হোৱা পিছতহে license issue কৰা হ'ব indigenous people খিনিক ঠিক আছে আৰু proper evaluation of necessity. কিয় লাগে হেতু কাৰণেও এটা proper evaluation কৰা হ'ব কিহৰ কাৰণে এটো কিয় কাৰণে কৰিব to enhance public safety হয় নাই so যাক তাকটো দি দিব নোৱাৰে so এটা thorough background verification হ'ব আৰু proper evaluation হ'ব ঠিক আছে So, কি কৈছে with reference to the issuance of arms licenses in India, consider the following statements. Here are 3 statements. কোনগিটা correct আমি চাব লাগে first to কি কৈছে arms licenses in India are regulated under the Arms Act 1959 এটো correct হয় কিহৰ আন্ডাৰত ৰেগুলেট কৰা হয় Arms Act 1959 ঠিক আছে next to কি কৈছে state governments have the sole authority to grant arms licenses without any involvement of the central government so basically ইয়াৰ লাইসেন্সৰ হেৰি এই পাৱাৰ টু ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট ম্যাজিষ্ট্ৰেটৰ হাতত থাকে ঠিক আছে কিন্তু কিছুমান সার্টেন ক্যাটেগরি কারণে কি কৰিব পাৰে সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টে এপ্রুভেল দিব লগা হ'ব পাৰে বা লব লগা হ'ব পাৰে তাৰ পৰা ঠিক আছে এপ্রুভেল so statement 2 is not correct statement 1 is correct third to কি কৈছে the recent announcement by the Assam CM limits arm licenses to indigenous people subject to strict verification yes after proper verification and evaluation dia hobo so statement correct 1 and 3 only will be the correct answer it is option B next ki koise Indian Navy warships so the Indian Navy will commission 2 advanced warships INS Udaigiri aru INS Himgiri ঠিক আছে on কেতিয়া এটো মনত ৰাখিবা 26 August 2025 marking a significant boost to India's indigenous shipbuilding capabilities both vessels have been built under Navy's modernization drive and the Make in India initiative enhancing maritime security and operational reach ঠিক আছে এটা MCQ কৰো With reference to INS Udaygiri and INS Himgiri, consider the following statements. Here are three statements. Kungita correct hami sabo lage. So ki koise both ships are still frigates built under Project 17A. It is true. Statement 1 is correct. Second to ki koise Project 17A warship are equipped with advanced stealth features, improved weaponry আৰু sensors. কিহেদি equip কৰা হৈছে stealth features, তাৰপিছত improved weaponry মানে advanced weaponry আৰু sensors. ঠিক আছে? So statement 2 is also correct. Third to কি কৈছে? The construction of this warship is being carried out by the Mazagon Dock Shipbuilder Limited, MDL, and Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSC. This is also true. Statement 1, 2, and 3 are correct. That is option D. Goteikita statement here correct. Yes. Next, কি কৈছে? Jan Suraksha Camp. ঠিক আছে? The Kamrup Metropolitan District Administration conducted its K number 9th and 10th Jan Suraksha saturation camps under Dimoria block, extending banking and social security service to 230 beneficiaries. ঠিক আছে? The camps focused on re-KYC activating কিহক কেম্পটোৱে কিহৰ ওপৰত ফোকাস কৰে এটো ভালকে চাবা আৰু মনত ৰাখিবা re-KYC আৰু activating dormant accounts and আৰু কি enrolling citizen to scheme like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana তাৰপিছত PMJJBY তাৰপিছত এগিটা স্কিম অটল পেনশন যোজনা এখিনি স্কিমৰ স্কিম গিটা মনত ৰাখিবা আন্ডাৰত এনৰোল কৰিবলে ঠিক আছে over the last 3 months the initiative has benefited more than 20,500 people in the district so এখিনি এই ইনিশিয়েটিভ টোৱে কিমান মানুহ হেৰি কৰিছে বেনিফিট কৰিছে 20,500 over 20,500 people ঠিক আছে এটা এমসিকিউ কৰো with reference to Jana Suraksha initiative in Assam consider the following statements so here are three statements kunita correct hoy sabo lage first to ki koise the program aims to promote financial inclusion and expand access to banking and social security scheme eto ami already saiso ki promote kore financial inclusion and আৰু expand কৰে access to banking access and social security schemes ঠিক আছে one is correct two to কি কৈছে it is organized exclusively by the Reserve Bank of India without involvement of local administration it is not correct not exclusively by Reserve Bank of India ঠিক আছে So the camps are coordinated by the district administration with participation from multiple banks and RBI official. Kintu yak koise ki exclusively by RBI. Kintu eto this is not correct. Ki koise participation of multiple banks are RBI officials boli koise but not solely by RBI. Thik ase so statement 2 is not correct. One is correct. Third to ki koise scheme to cover under initiative include ekhini scheme cover kore. So statement 3 is correct. Etu ami already salu hoy na 1 and 3 only will be the correct answer that is option C. Next Amritsar Vaishno Devi train. So PM Modi virtually flagged off the Amritsar Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra Vande Bharat Express on August 10, 2025. Ki launch kora hol? Ketia launch kora hol? August 10, 2025. Aru the train will improve connectivity for devotees traveling to Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi le jonkhini devotee travel koribo tar karne connectivity improve kora mane improve hobo ei train khonor karne train khonor pora and boost trade between aru ki hobo trade boost hobo between Punjab Jammu and Kashmir by enabling faster freight and passenger transport ঠিক আছে so MCQ এটা চাওঁ with reference to Amritsar Vaishno Devi Katra Vande Bharat Express consider the following statements. Here are three statements কোনটা correct হয় চাব লাগে first কি কৈছে the train will operate 6 days a week except Tuesday এটো correct হয় 6 days a week operate কৰা হ'ব কিন্তু Tuesdays নহয় ঠিক আছে so statement 1 is correct to কি কৈছে the road connects Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir reducing travel for the pilgrims to the Vaishno Devi shrine travel time for the travel time for the pilgrims to the Vaishno Devi shrine so statement 2 is also correct we already follow third to ki koise Vande Bharat trains are indigenously manufactured under Make in India initiative eto monot rakhiba eto correct hoy Vande Bharat trains khini indigenously manufactured kora hoy under ki Make in India initiative so statement 3 is also correct so option D to correct hobo 1 2 and 3 3 ঠিক আছে গোটে গিটা statement correct হয় next Bordua Than Guwahati based NGO Touch of Humanity কোনটো NGO Touch of Humanity Let's Be Human এই NGO টোৱে urge কৰিছে Assam CM কি কৰিবলে to initiate the process for including Bordua Than in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list Bordua Thanok UNESCO World Heritage Site listot include koribole ki process initiate koribole urge korise kak Assam CM by NGO Touch of Humanity Let's Be Human ঠিক আছে citing its cultural and architectural and historical significance ঠিক আছে so এটা MCQ চাও with reference to proposal for UNESCO recognition of Bordua Than consider the following statements here are three statements kunita correct hoy sabo lage Bordua Than is associated with the birth and early life of Srimanta Shankardev a 15th to 16th century saint scholar of Assam etu correct hoy second to ki koise for inclusion in the UNESCO heritage list a site must be placed on the India's tentative list so eto correct hoy statement 2 is correct as well the nomination dossier for any Indian site is submitted directly by the directly to UNESCO by respective state government this is not correct ki koise in India the nomination is prepared in coordination so in India nomination is prepared in coordination with the Archaeological Survey of India ASI and submitted by the central government ঠিক আছে কোনে submit কৰে central government এ submit কৰে not directly by the state government so yet state government বুলি কৈছিলে which is not correct central government এ submit কৰে so 1 and 2 only will be the correct answer that is option A ঠিক আছে okay next World Sanskrit Day 2025 was observed ketia 9th August Shravan Purnima to honor Sanskrit promotes its learning and preserve its cultural heritage ঠিক আছে তো date to monot rakhiba the day has been officially celebrated in India since 1969 or pora celebrate kori ahise ঠিক আছে eto monot rakhiba ঠিক আছে so MCQ eta sao okay in which year the government of India start officially celebrating World Sanskrit Day officially celebrate koribole ketia pora start korisle 1969 or pora thik ase ketia kore August 9 so mono rakhiba okay so eto tumalokor mains or question তোমালোকে স্ক্রিনশট লৈ লব পাৰিবা আৰু প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব পাৰিবা skip নকৰিবা সদায় এটা মেইনছৰ কোৱেশ্চন প্ৰেক্টিস কৰি থাকিবা ঠিক আছে so that's all for today thank you